Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your stance. Equip your best shield and put shield slam and revenge on primary keys so you act fast. Next, set thunderclap to a neighboring key to hold groups and taunt for instant aggro control. Make a one-key taunt macro if needed. Once done, pop any opening damage cooldowns and use shield slam as your opener to secure threat. This sequence gets you threat quickly and sets up sustained tanking pressure. You now move into the core loop. Keep shield block active during heavy incoming bursts and refresh it proactively. This reduces damage consistently. Use shield slam whenever it's off cooldown for steady threat, and slot revenge immediately after it becomes available. This combo's better for aggro. For groups, sprinkle thunderclap to lower enemy damage and hold multiple foes. Make sure to face your targets and reposition between pulls. That maintains cleave control and reduces accidental cleave damage to allies. Finish fights by timing your big defensives for the highest incoming damage windows. Shield wall or last stand just before predictable spikes and use personal heals as needed. Once done, press taunt quickly if a DPS peels threat and reapply shield slam to reclaim aggro. Make sure to communicate with healers so they don't overheal or swap targets. If you still drop threat, kite briefly and re-enter with cooldowns. This stabilizes the fight and prevents wipes when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.